can't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
So now we're gonna go on this ride called the Boomerang. I've only been on it once, like literally when it first opened up, and this is gonna be my first time coming back. Here's the rides. Okay guys, I can't really think of the ride what it's called right now, but it's like an octopus ride. And every single time that I go on this thing, especially with my parents, that's who I'm going to be going today, and my little brother, I always kick their butt at this game. I at least get over 200,000. My dad thinks I'm just talking crap, but every single time I get on this thing, I'm always beating them, like just by far. And today they think they're actually going to beat me more, but we'll see about that. I don't really think they're going to beat me, because maybe I'll be nice. Maybe I'll actually like allow them to beat me this time, but I don't really think so. That's really going to happen. They're just all walking in front of me now because they don't really like the fact that I always beat them. Hey, what do you think? You think you're going to win today?
Yes.
No, she's wrong. She's not going to win at all.
Mama's never wrong.
She's going to be wrong this time. She's always wrong. No, well, we'll see about that. We got a while. We got a line all the way up there. But, I don't know. Still kick their butts, including his. It's my dad. Alright. And everybody else, that's all up here. So guys, how does it feel to lose? Because you guys all lost big time. Even though like half of our guns wasn't working, or the guns were not working half the time, but I mean, hey, I still won. I got 115,000, I believe. I did not cheat. She cheated, if anything. But yeah, I totally kicked her butt again, as always.
Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Somebody sweet little farmer's child. It's got it in the blood to get a little wild. Ponytail and a pretty smile. Want me from a country mile. Come on over here, give me another hug. Spin me around this big old farm. Take me up like grandma.
Thank you so much guys for joining us today at Knott's Berry Farm. I can hopefully give you guys a different video for somewhere else next time. I know later on this week we have a little different things we want to do. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Who cares? You wanted the drink, so I gave it to you. Bye.